What is JDBC? Java Database Connectivity. Main components of JDBC are driver manager, manages a list of database drivers, matches connection requests from the Java application with proper database driver using communication subprotocol. The first driver that recognizes a certain subprotocol under JDBC will be used to establish a database connection. Driver. The database communication link, handling all communication with the database. Normally, once the driver is loaded, developer need to call it explicitly. Connection. Connection interface with all the methods for contacting a database. The connection object represents a communication context. That is, all communication with the database is through connection object only. Statement. Statement encapsulates a SQL statement which is passed to the database to be parsed, compiled, planned, executed. Result set. The result set represents set of rows retrieved due to query execution. How is database driver loaded in JDBC? Load the driver class using class.forName method from Java 6 or JDBC 4.0 onwards. Place the jar file in class path is enough. The driver manager class takes care of his automatically locating a suitable driver when the driver manager.get connection method is called. So, how the database driver loaded in JDBC? Load the driver class using class.forName method. From Java 6 JDBC 4.0 onwards, placing the jar file in the class path is enough. The driver manager class takes care of this by automatically locating the suitable driver when the driver manager.get connection method is called. What is prepared statement? A prepared statement is a SQL statement that is pre-compiled by the database. Through pre-compilation, prepared statements improve the performance of SQL commands that are executed multiple times, given that the database supports prepared statements. Once compiled, prepared statements can be customized prior to each execution by altering predefined SQL parameters. What are callable statements? Callable statements are used from the JDBC application to invoke stored procedures and functions. How to call stored procedures from JDBC? PL/SQL stored procedures are called from within JDBC programs by means of prep call method of the connection object created. Okay. PL/SQL stored procedures are called from within JDBC programs by means of prepare call method of the connection object created. A call to this method takes variable bind parameters as input parameters as well as output variables and creates an object instance of the callable statement class. Callable statement space stproc underscore statement equal to connection dot prepare call parenthesis start quotations flower bracket start call space proc name parenthesis start question mark comma close parenthesis close flower brackets quotations close parenthesis colon. So what are the types of JDBC drivers? Type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4. So type 1, JDBC or ODBC. This requires an ODBC, Open Database Connectivity driver to the for the database to be installed. This type of driver works by translating the submitted queries into a equivalent ODBC queries and forwards them via native API calls directly to the ODBC driver. It provides no host redirection capability. Type 2, Native API, partly Java driver. This type of driver uses a vendor-specific driver or database API to interact with database. An example of such an API is Oracle OCI, Oracle Call Interface. It also provides no host redirection. Type 3, Open Protocol Net. This is not vendor specific and works by forwarding database requests to a remote database sources using a net server component. How the net server component accesses the database is transparent to the client. The client driver communicates with the net server using a database independent protocol, and the net server translates this protocol into database calls. This type of driver can access any database. Type 4, Proprietary Protocol Net, pure Java driver. This has a same configuration as Type 3 driver but uses a wire protocol specific to a particular vendor and hence can access only that vendor's database. Again, this is all transparent to the client. Which type of JDBC driver is the fastest one? JDBC Net Pure Java driver type 4 is the fastest driver because it converts the JDBC calls into vendor specific protocols and it directly interacts with the database. Does the JDBC ODBC bridge support multiple concurrent open statements per connection? No. You can open only one statement object per connection when you are using JDBC ODBC bridge. What are standard isolation levels defined by JDBC? Standard isolation levels defined by JDBC: transaction underscore none, transaction underscore read underscore committed, transaction read underscore uncommitted, transaction underscore repeatable underscore read, transaction underscore serializable. What is result set? The result set represents set of rows retrieved due to the query execution. So result set represents set of rows retrieved due to query execution. Result set space rs equal to statement dot execute query parenthesis dot SQL query parenthesis close colon. What are types of result set? Type forward only specifies that the result set is not scrollable. Rows within it can be advanced only in forward direction. Type underscore scroll insensitive specifies that the result set is scrollable in either direction but insensitive to changes committed by other transactions or other statements in the transaction. Type underscore scroll underscore sensitive specifies that the result set is scrollable in either direction and is affected by the changes committed by other transactions or statements within the same transaction. What is the row set? A row set is an object that encapsulates a set of rows from either Java database connectivity result sets or tabular data sources like file or spreadsheet. What are different types of row set? Connected, disconnected. Okay, connected. A connected row set object connects to the database once and remains connected until the application terminates. Disconnected. A disconnected row set object connects to the database, executes a query to retrieve the data from the database and then close the connection. A program may change the data in disconnected row set while it is disconnected. Modified data can be updated in the database after a disconnected row set reestablishes the connection with the database. What is connection pooling? What is the main advantage of using connection pooling? A connection pool is a mechanism to reuse connections created. Connection pooling can increase performance dramatically by reusing connections rather than creating a new physical connection each time a connection is requested. What is data source? A data source object is a representation of data source in Java language. In terms, a data source is a facility for storing data. Data source can be referenced by JNDI. Data source may point to RDBMS, file systems, or any DBMS, etc. So what are different types of statements? A regular statement is a create statement method, prepare statement is a prepare statement method, and callable statement with a prepare call method. So what does set auto commit do? When a connection is created, it is an auto commit mode. This means that each individual SQL statement is treated as a transaction and will be automatically committed right after its execution. The way to allow two or more statements to be grouped into a transaction is to disable auto commit mode. In a Java persistence API, what is entity class? Entity class is a persistable class that can be mapped to the database table with a primary key defined in the table column. So entity class is a persistable class that can be mapped to a database table with a primary key defined in a table column. Do entity class inheritance supports inheritance? Yes, entity class supports inheritance, and inheritance could have entity class extending non-entity class, or a non-entity class can be extended entity class. That's all for now on JDBC connections. JDBC. Thank you.